Have you ever wondered how military officers climb the ranks, specifically within the Air Force of Zimbabwe? Today we delve into the fascinating journey of one such officer, Group Captain Valentine Sedze, who was recently promoted to the rank of Air Commodore upon his retirement. The promotion was made by President Mnangagwa in accordance with the Defence Act Section 20 and Statutory Instrument 257 of 2020, Section 19C, subsection 2C. This section of the law empowers the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defence Forces to promote an officer to a higher rank for distinguished service or gallant conduct on active service. The process began with a recommendation from the AFZ commander, Air Marshal John Jacob Nzvede. He forwarded his recommendation to the Defence Minister, Opa Muchinguri Kashiri, who in turn submitted it to President Mnangagwa. Air Commodore Sedze is no ordinary officer. He is a veteran of the liberation struggle. The Constitution of Zimbabwe honors such individuals for their selfless cause by promoting ex-combatants to the next rank upon retirement. This act serves to recognize their role in helping the country gain independence from colonial rule. As Air Marshal Nzvede conferred the new insignia of rank on Air Commodore Sedze, he highlighted the officer's hard work and loyalty to national duty, dating back to the days of the liberation struggle. He further urged the senior officer to remain exemplary, even in retirement, assuring him that the AFZ would not hesitate to call on him if ever his services were required. In response, Air Commodore Sedze promised to remain loyal and admitted that he had been eagerly anticipating this day. He expressed gratitude towards President Mnangagwa for the recognition and looked forward to enjoying his retirement and doing things that he couldn't do during his active service. He also pledged to remain available for duty in any capacity whenever required. Now, we have seen a glimpse of the process that led to the promotion of a senior officer in the Air Force of Zimbabwe. It's a journey that begins with a commendable service record, leading to a recommendation, culminating in the final promotion. This process not only recognizes the officer's dedication and service to the nation, but also serves as an inspiration for others in the force. In conclusion, the promotion of Air Commodore Sedze is a testament to his selfless service, loyalty, and hard work. His journey serves as a reminder of the significance of recognizing and rewarding those who have dedicated their lives to serve and protect the nation. Remember, every rank earned is a story of sacrifice, commitment, and unwavering dedication.